come as a destruction from the Almighty.
Si au kole kwa destruction, amoro heiwa en alas masap sa attack destruction. For woesting, for nitake. Go ahead.
Verse 7, therefore shall all hands be faint, and every man's heart shall melt.
En te atida to doro, ala de mighty man, de zoeken naar de money man, ala de zoeken naar de kickboxer, ala de zoeken naar de man zijn play om een warrior toch? Zonder atrodisi, yum saptak yu anu oko shwaki, ala kindo begin naki. And she, go ahead.
Verse 8, and they shall be afraid, pangs and sorrows shall take hold of them.
And they shall be afraid. No, that they want libis ma up money, they want ma up money, alayang a business, am I playing alasma, I want my libi moro trawa. Mata deep destruction of doro, ala de man that kindo shwaki, ala de man that anu oslap, want to have hell, mata deep destruction of doro, and money view, no man do next. And a papira money so abja ano money na kung papira a orsi money na go to and so they kita nga bomb money than money I abi ina shit kan. Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 13 verse 8, and they shall be afraid, pangs and sorrows shall take hold of them. They shall be in pain as a woman that travaileth. They shall be amazed one at another.
See that one tak te adiyo doro to. Don't sorry and don't be afraid. En door hoor pijn ligt door een vrouw, staat de zwanger en bevallen. Maar dat tot dit ding, de was a trots in alibi. De was a trots, sa we boom fara van moro heiwang. De was a trots zodat het gadone bosta giding. You see? En de ningere nanga de ingi. Para de ningere de trots. De apop chimoni de trots. I go go McDonald's, go so go do that. Maar une vrede dat na vader e hora blufu in ander. Dat ik kan me kipa wike go vader tapi bluf, blam walisi tete. Une vrede vader, a vrede voor amoro heiwang no de inu ati. En na dat vader o chakon baka, voor bige vrede vader.
Kan.
Go ahead.
Their faces shall be as flames.
De versie of de inflam. Dat wat tak a derde wereldoorlog to. Nanga de nuclear raketten sa o nanga sa no mo petito. O mesma o de in fire. Isi tra mo lo for dual. Anu danga fire, pesi danga fire, bele danga fire de gay. O bro boy.
Verse 9, behold, the day of the Lord Yahweh cometh through, both with bread and fierce anger.
See? The day of the Lord. That day that ook komt toch? Nanga sa ook komt.
It cometh through both with bread and fierce anger.
De ook komt nanga ati brong nanga wuret. Wuret dat betekent wurak. Une vrede gado boy. Jina en dat na sawe ko kotegi de libis ma de ningere nanga de igi a nation ku Israel a volk fugado tak une vrede father o destroy a her grond tapu en srana ook toe want de apwansane tak de srana isa kasi kant land lek srana no de tapa world map srana na po na wa kodre sa issue o siso bigap sa nga unja Israel you stand up and first no bigap sa Israel father rise up the prophet fuko warsko uno sa eko na nga sa opsa.
Behold, the day of Isaiah chapter 30 verse 9. Behold, the day of the Lord cometh cruel both with bread and fierce anger, to lay the land desolate, and he shall destroy the sinners thereof out of it.
See, fukong destroy a kondre desolate. Dat wat ik plat. Lek pasranan de jaso, nooit wa arbeid no kwasranan. Ma according to wickedness for the people Israel, who father can make Israel, who na pretty kun opo.
Kan?
En ulibis man wa yere de sandat. Wa yere aldetak e go boom. Pa go boom under father eye in wickedness.
Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 28. The Lord shall smite you with madness.
See, dat na de vloeken, dat na de wap de vloek. Sa father vloek a nation for Israel. The Lord shall smite you with madness. Dire na di sitak na soson nengere. So ubla kabarada sitak etro swear for. Natala nga isiwa ya panisi na swear for. Natala nga de isiwa Hindustani na swear for. Natala nga po siya siwa Snisi na swear for. Moro pour swear for sa ewaka dyan na foto na so sa apolok po father.
Kan.
Sa son mengre yesi. Fawi ka okor samhey. The father judge day. And father make fluko rus na den tapu. Go ahead.
Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 28. The Lord shall smite you with madness and blindness and astonishment of heart.
You see, and blindness. Versículo de cima so ora nit. So de yere mate no ma verstang. Blindness.
Jeremiah chapter 16 verse 17. For mine eyes are upon all their ways. They are not hid from my face, neither is their iniquity hid from mine eyes.
Okay, Father tak ai detap ala libisma. And no wickedness sa libisma edu kibri onder ai fu Father. Father si alasan. Kayo purwa moni. Libisma ni si magado si well. And ala the son that is stable up. Gi adi for destruction.
Verse 18. And first I will recompense their iniquity and their sin double, because they have defiled my land and they have filled my inheritance with the carcasses of their detestable.
And that they go give the Edomite, the Whitman. See, sa fornitang anison po Israel, send they go in slavery. And a contract de the Israelito, the mengre na nga de ingi, the Whitman fornita ke, mekti da dinestag na Whitman eta in Israel. Mana uno kontra de tape, kan? Uno ano sira namang, kan? Sira naman ako wa Bainam sa the Whitman gi uno the Hollander, and the Hollander na Whitman. So kan am the Whitman, the man weti. They are ready. A nation for Israel na pure white. Tadi malkar unu plaka ma. Unu no plaka was a brain. Drunkard brain, different shape of brown. You see? Alam malaki dito. Baik ko lang maging karani. Kulok ko sa ito malaki. Ito ko isang boy ka kaya marami mga
Jeremiah chapter 16 verse 18. And first I will recompense their iniquity and their sin double, because they have defiled my land. They have filled my inheritance with the carcasses of their detestable and abominable things.
You see, there's that one that the wet man sa fornita ka land for Israel, a kondre father, the father opay the double, and a payman that ego so, and a payman that katagdo go in slavery. So mane brief that. You private ade yo doro. Boy.
Second Esdras chapter 16, verse 18. The beginning of sorrow and great mourning, the beginning of famine and great death, the beginning of war, and the power shall stand in faith, the beginning of evil. What shall I do when these evils shall come?
See, sayo odu tede bad times odoro sranam. Eta pagronta po nuno de udi srana de so takanga de sranama. De sukanam de sranama wan de ano sranama. Dena Hebrew sa Israelito. Mapawi ka de lasi. You see, pawi ka pas pa de sranama lasi. Dok, tade ding tag de na sranama. See, ade real nationality na Hebrew sa Israelito. You see, father tak sayo tu. De ayuro odoro bad time. Sayo tu de ayuro odoro orlo.
Woe, famine and plague, tribulation and anguish are sent as first from a commandment.
Dus in sabik batak ala de sanda de setik ba. Pestilence, destruction, alasan. Nuno de na wakti father wakti fufu and a father of alasan under control. Isabito, de sumane bribi ina bribi, tado yo doro, yo wan bribi, da no pos yo wan sukadru, pada alatik ba. Nuno de attente, to take heed. If you don't want to take heed, liba gronta blibi. Ayun sa dede, dapat si ikongi yu, na ngayon sila ngayon, el family.
people is foolish. They have not known me. They are such as children, and they have none understanding. They are wise to do evil, but to do good they have no knowledge. You see?
Father tak a nation po a follow po in the nengre na nga de ingi. So, des makoni po do ogri. You see? Ang mundo apong they stupid. They never stop to boom. You see? Don't think so these children not but they can stupid. You follow God? Dat na a follow po father. The nengre na nga de ingi. Matide de yesi pa de libi. Let's stupid as monkeys they fucked out. En na o father rise up po strategia dok po kontegire tak atruno de it kerki. Isi ala de kerki se sita pagrota po dyan nga de kerki sa de may po parango care plate na ala de sandat na kuwa make money business. Po father po pastor ka bay wat trawid ke pro na nga chife kan guaskoro. Masaya goleri. Sa pastor etegi you. I make it in a wet gato. You see, but the people who say they are not ingi, they smoke gun helemaal. Tak tere tak about Jesus, they ate brong. Amigado, ami Jesus. You did it!
Fuck Jesus Christ!
And then I know Jesus, and then I Yahweh Shai. And I grow up no stop Yahweh Shai. I grow up with Jesus. Daro make the attributes mo biget taki. O mes mabo for wonder do den tag na nga Bible welisi. Mana semuang sa you stupid ass pastor e wori na kerki.
Second Esdras chapter 16, verse 20. But for all these things they shall not turn from the wickedness, nor be always mindful of their sources. Second Esdras chapter 16, verse 20. But for all these things they shall not turn from their wickedness, nor be always mindful of the scourges.
See, that what tak to. Pagka ala de sansa o goberta pagrota po to. Tokyo abopaldo wa puting sa no try de libi. Tokyo abopalo wa de sa otang libi a wicked libi. Isabi to, Tokyo abopalo wa de sa otang libi ina sondu motel. Isabi to. Go ahead.
Verse 22, for many of them verse 22, for many of them that dwell upon earth shall perish of famine, and the other that escape the hunger shall the sword destroy.
Minute again from the top.
Second Esdras chapter 60, verse 22.
Hey, hello?
Okay.